So I did not have to worry about any of the pieces being damaged, and the big pet peeve for me is not receiving all of the pieces that I'm supposed to have. Nope, no worries there. Everything was just as it should be, and it even comes with the tools that you'll need to assemble it, so you do not have to worry about any additional tools. And it's a really easy assembly too. It took my son about an hour, and that's because his dad was here in the garage with him and they were, chit-chatting, but it took him about an hour. Friends of the Twins, the assembly was so easy, I really could have done it myself, but I'm glad that I had my son there. Should your girl have needed any additional help, it did come with an instruction manual, and it has pictures. Now, there were two characteristics that made this absolutely perfect for what I wanted to use it for. I love the fact that it has zippers on both sides that gives me easy access, and the zippered door leads me into my next favorite characteristic, which is the fact that it is completely waterproof. And also here on the front, you have a ventilation window, which makes it breathable. Now that's going to be great for these hot Georgia summers. The poles are made of galvanized steel, so it is really sturdy. And also, Friends of the Twins, all of the pieces for the assembly come numbered, and all of the same numbers are packaged individually together. So that just makes your assembly time shorter, and the pieces just snap into place. It really was easy. I could have really done it myself, but I was glad to have my son here to help me out. You also have these ties for your end panels to keep those in place, and that is really an easy assembly as well. Once your structure has been totally assembled, it does come with these feet, and it also comes with pegs for you to tie it down. Now, I didn't choose to do this just yet because I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to be placing my storage shed. What I'm choosing to store right now is mine and Shugi's new scooters. You remember the scooters that I shared with y'all? It is perfect for that. I do not really want these in the garage, like I said, taking up valuable space on my side or Shugi's. And I'm also going to be storing my granddaughter's Cinderella carriage car. It is absolutely perfect for that. This is definitely something that I do not want to leave out in the weather. As you can see, we have snow here, and more snow is expected. Also, Friends of the Twins, if you have a smaller yard, this would be perfect for you. If you need to store your lawnmower, your garden tools. The more I looked at this, the more I thought how perfect it would be for me to use to store all of my Christmas decor. I do have quite a bit of it, and some of those pieces are large. And it would also be a great thing to store four-wheelers. We live here in a wooded area, and it would be perfect to store the four-wheelers. And for someone like me that loves home decor, Friends of the Twins, I even had the thought that this would be perfect for me to store my florals in. I could get them really organized, and how wonderful to have like a she shed that is just full of flowers when I walk in. Now that would be perfect. In case this is something that you might be interested in and it could be useful to you in any kind of way with your storage solution,